Progressive exercise number 2. Be ready. Start. Sir, my friend has also sought a clarification. He wanted to know whether there has been a policy shift. I want to categorically state that the approval has been granted to an Indian company, Punjab Agro Industries Corporation, which includes joint venture, and the foreign collaboration is just like many other business companies allowed in the country. Nowhere the government has stated that it has opposed the project. I would like to clarify that no terms or conditions as set by the CCEA have been altered or changed. The CCEA has approved in principle that 50% of the turnover per annum would be exported. Honorable members have asked clarification about the scope of Agro Research Center. I would like to clarify that Agro Research Centers, which is one of the salient feature of this package, will cover development of improved varieties, development of optimum production technology, multiplication of high quality seeds and oil seeds research. These are also high priority areas of research. It will improve overall salability of hybrid seeds, which will help the farmers in improving their productivity. It is not correct to say that Pepsi Cola has no experience in food processing. About 60% of the Pepsi Cola's turnover is in food processing. Yesterday, most of the members said it is only a soft drink company. 60% of their total turnover is in the food processing venture. I think the concentrate of the orange is one of their big expertise. The Agro Center will function in close collaboration with the Indian Council of Agricultural Research and Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana. The Agro Research Center will supplement the activities of the ICAR, and the Punjab Agriculture University will also supplement its activities with the broad objective and the policies of the ICAR and the Punjab Agriculture University in the manner of the development of hybrid seeds of high quality variety with specific reference to the need of the industry of the processing variety. Some apprehension has been raised whether entry of multinational will destabilize this country. I would like to say that our people are mature people, and we should not be afraid that the entry of a multinational company will destabilize this country. I would like to mention what I said earlier. Wherever apprehension has been of these companies trying to destabilize or trying to create problems, are where the companies are 100% American companies, and in no way we will ever allow any foreign company to be 100% owned by foreigners.